How to measure land area in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps. Drop the pin where you want to start measuring from. But in Google Maps, if you click on measure distance, you'll be only able to measure distance, not area. What you can do is go back, open Play Store or App Store if you're on your iPhone. Download Google Earth. After you've downloaded Google Earth, open the app. In the app, simply drop your pin from where you want to start measuring. Then click on Measure at the bottom. After you click on Measure at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply drag your arrow where you want to add point. Click on Add Point. And then you can do the same. And at the close point, simply drag it to where you started and you'll find close shape option. Click on it. And then as you can see, it is showing area and perimeter. You can also change to meters, kilometers. And this is how to measure land area in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.